Morning! Welcome back for another phonics lesson. Today we are going to learn another new sound. So, are you ready to get started? Yes? Well done. Fantastic. So, this is an orange. 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 And the first sound we hear when we say orange is uh. And looks like this. Orange. Well done. So, when Teacher Sarah puts her hands like this, only Teacher Sarah says it. But when I put my hands like this, I want you to say the sound. Okay? So, good. Well done. Once more. Excellent. Now we are going to learn some words that have the sound. So the first word that has the sound is, do you know? Octopus. Good. Octopus. Octopus. Well done. Octopus has the sound. Well done. Another word that has the sound is olive. Olive. Good. Olive. Olive. Well done. One more word that we know that we're going to learn that has the sound is ostrich. Good. Ostrich. Ostrich. Fantastic. Well done. So now we are going to play a game. And when we see the sound, we say But when we see the picture, we are going to say what it is. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Well done. Orange. Excellent. Again. Well done. Octopus. Good. Octopus. Ostrich. Well done. Fantastic. Well done, everybody. That finishes our phonics lesson for today. See you soon. Mwah.